Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, whatever it is in your part of the world. Thank you for tuning in today. My name is Ebony Bomani for those of you who don't know me. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to take a look around. Go ahead and make yourself at home. Watch some of my former videos. And if you like what you see, feel free to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my Dutch braids so smooth and neat. I get a lot of questions about that, so I thought it was about time for me to create a demo. So people call them Dutch braids. Some people say cornrows, cane rolls, but you know, they're just two cornrows on either side of my head. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you desire to know when I'm uploading, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So if you'd like to see how I do my Dutch braids, feel free to stick around.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus.
So guys, this is the finished look. My hair has dried maybe 95%. I'll probably sit under the dryer a little bit later if it hadn't dried by the rest of the day. But I always tell people, when you have a style that's going to be set, I consider this like a roller set. You definitely want to make sure you sit under the dryer, because contrary to popular belief, it's not good to walk around with your hair soggy, especially when you have wet hair against your scalp. That can cause all kind of bacteria. So you want to go ahead and make sure you sit under the dryer. If nothing else, get the hair next to your scalp dry. So I still have quite a bit to go throughout the day, so my hair may be dry by the time I go to bed. If not, I'm going to go ahead and dry it the rest of the way. But this is what we have. Got a cute little love pin in my hair, and I really like it. So I also have plugged in an alternate look with my hair tied back with a gold elastic band. So it's just a long piece of string that's elastic, and I just wrapped it around my ponytail. Well, not my ponytail, but I turned it into a ponytail by just gathering them in the back. And you can wrap something decorative around it. You can leave it as is, or you can just have fun with it. I typically like to put mine in a bun. Whenever you see me on Instagram or in pictures, they're usually like this, but most of the time I just go ahead and wrap them up and put them in a bun. If I'm feeling real, you know, cute and fresh and whatever, I'll just take some elastic bands and wrap them around the base, and I'll take this part out and turn it into a really cute braid out. So this will still be neat, and then this will be curly. And if I do that, you'll see it on Instagram. Give me about maybe 3 days, 3-4 days, and that's how I'll transform this look. But that's it. That's all, guys. Super quick. It took me probably about a good 15 minutes to braid the hair. That of course doesn't include like the whole wash day from start to finish. Drying time included, probably like an hour and a half. So that's shampooing, conditioning, detangling, braiding, and drying. So if you're down to sit under the dryer, you can go ahead and have this done by midday. Get up in the morning, go ahead and get your hair done, set it like you would a roller set, dry it, and you don't have to worry about your hair for the rest of the day. That's it. That's it. That's all. So this is how I've been rocking my hair for the most part during this little quarantine time. But I love my hair like this anyway, even if we're not quarantining. I just like the style. It's really simple, it's chic, it's cute. This is it. This is it. I hope you like it. Hope I'm not rambling. Let me go before I start rambling, just in case if I'm not already. So go ahead and remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be notified for whenever I upload new videos, new content, go ahead and hit the notification bell. And as always, be well, stay safe, keep in touch. Thanks for watching.